Hello and welcome to part 2 of the video series on the LinuxKI toolset, the performance analysis tool that is redefining how to troubleshoot performance issues on Linux. In this session, we'll discuss how to download and install LinuxKI. The LinuxKI toolset can be downloaded from the LinuxKI wiki page, which is available as an RPM package or a deb package. These packages contain source code, binaries, scripts, and everything you need to collect and analyze LinuxKI data. While there are no required prerequisites to install LinuxKI, I highly recommend installing the kernel headers or the developers package, which is needed to compile the HPE open source tracing module called LinuxKI. You'll also need the developer tools like GCC and Make in order to compile LinuxKI, but most systems have these installed already. Installation is performed using standard Linux package managers such as RPM, Yum, and dpkg. In this demo, we'll download and install LinuxKI onto a Red Hat 7 server. To download LinuxKI, go to the LinuxKI wiki page and click on the Releases page. Since I'll be installing on a Red Hat 7 server, I'll get the RPM package. I'll copy the link address, and then I'll use wget to pull the RPM directly onto the server. Next, be sure the server has the appropriate prerequisites to generate the LinuxKI DLKM. While there are no required dependencies, LinuxKI does need the kernel developers package along with standard tools like Make and GCC. Next, we can install LinuxKI using RPM, but you can use Yum or the appropriate package manager for your distro. Now that LinuxKI is installed, we can list the files in the /op/LinuxKI directory. Now we're ready to collect LinuxKI trace data when a performance issue occurs. Be sure to bookmark the LinuxKI wiki page and check for the latest updates. Prior to installing LinuxKI, you may want to refer to the quick reference guide and the frequently asked questions document. These documents are very short and can help answer most questions you have and help resolve the majority of LinuxKI installation issues. And be sure to tune in to part 3 of the video series where we'll discuss how LinuxKI works, how to collect the LinuxKI trace data, and how to generate the LinuxKI trace reports. I hope you've enjoyed this and have a good day.